from the S to the B, but we don't B to the S. And if you fuck around, you might just find a hole in your chest. Cops ain't the only with vests, so keep a bank for the stress. This ain't the place for pussies, keep your hustle the best. You be a fish out of water if you ain't on a good hop. The rack you're rotating to the day that the earth stops. A race to the finish line, the bank in the winner's line. There's no chumps in the water, just piranhas at dinner time. You might lose your head trying to make some headway. You looking for the quarters with the dough and the bread stay. Welcome to life in the fast lane where we hump for the good life. If you make it home, then it was considered a good night. Fuck pure pressure, it's pure pressure to bubble up. One hell of a ride, bitch, you better buckle up. No looking back, money talks with sealed lips. Racing times in a numb world, I feel tips. Get your hustle on, 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 get your hustle on. Maybe you came from the hood, maybe you came from the birds, maybe your intro to the scene was a nickel of earth. Maybe you pushing the E, maybe you fuck with the C, maybe you got some fast money and you couldn't let it be. Maybe you hot with them wires, screwdrivers and pliers, get the rims and the tires, no suppliers and buyers. Maybe you dance at the club, maybe you taking it off. Instead of climbing up the ladder, you gon' climb on your boss. Maybe you nice with them cards, pulling, pimping them broads. Maybe you take a number 10 and turn this shit to a yard. Maybe you beat making, flow flipping, Wall Street dough, getting ski mask, glove heat, holding preachy words, spitting government job, degree in Enron rob. There's millions of hustle, just get a couple in mob, and you get your hustle on, 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 get your hustle on. The weaklings, the street flings, but won't defeat kings. It resonates in your bloodstreams like deep strings. It's more misogynist, try misogynist. The game starts to get in the zone just like erogenous. Or starts to circle like fifths in the drift. The Tokyo Swift to the post burner split. I see niggas cower and the darkness overpower. The block is a beast and it loves to devour. Dreams like dynamits, from project hallways to tenements, where I spent days getting bent to the soundtrack of every ghetto speakers. E&J and Reefer, then it gets deeper. Trying to cop some new sneakers, then it's right back to the benches and the trenches and the creepers. I'm still looking for meaning in Kareem's death. Even young thugs seek forgiveness in their last breath. Match and pray, no time to what to tell his mother. I still gotta watch for mine and my baby brother. The only thing we respect is what you hustle like. 25th hour, baby, better keep your hustle tight. Get your hustle on, 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 get your hustle